Spring salad, spring salad. I'm ready. I'm ready for you. Look at the light on this. Are you seeing the light on this? It's like the light is shining on this spring, gorgeous day so that we can highlight all the beautiful greenness that is coming our way. I'm ready for you, spring. I always crave a sugar snap pea, and I just love the idea of doing a really fresh, crunchy sugar snap pea salad with a gorgeous, tangy, creamy, garlicky yogurt, herby sauce, kind of like a green goddess underneath. So I have a bunch of sugar snap peas here that I've just julienned. It does not need to be perfect. I did this earlier so that we wouldn't be here for like 3 hours watching me slice these sugar snaps. I really want this to be a very, is it herby or herby? Herby. I want it to be herby. We have our sugar snap peas. This is how like really challenging this recipe gets. It's a joke. It's incredibly easy. I also just want you to know, prepared in advance, blanched sliced almonds. I threw them into a 350-degree oven until they're lightly golden. And we're going to put that in with the sugar snap pea salad. And it's going to add so much texture and so much flavor, and it's going to be delicious. Full fat Greek yogurt. It needs to be Greek yogurt because it won't hold up and it will become too liquidy once you blend it. And I'm also putting in half of an avocado and a nice sized clove of garlic. Fresh basil, absolutely love the flavor. And like basil just like makes everything feel so fresh and bright. Some parsley, I'm gonna add in some mint. And I'm gonna keep some mint and a little bit of the baby basil to the side because I wanna toss that in with my sugar snap peas into the actual salad. And maybe even parsley, Oh, don't forget the salt, okay? So we have lemon juice, garlic, parsley, basil, mint. Oh, chives, please. Please, Eden, be better. We're really loading in all of that beautiful flavor, and it's so green and gorgeous. Oh my God, that looks so good. It looks good. That is so bright. Does not need any more lemon juice. The bright tanginess that you get from the yogurt is totally there. And that creaminess that you get from the avocado is essential. I absolutely love it, and it's adding so much. So now it's basically time to assemble. This is how easy this is, okay? Half a cup of toasted, blanched, sliced almonds. Now I'm going to just tear some herbs in. Does not need to be perfect. I actually prefer if the herbs were torn and look torn versus actually being chopped. Put some mint in there. Put some basil. Oh my God, I love basil leaves in a fresh salad. Oh, and the second you tear into that basil, it smells insane. Insane in the membrane. Insane in the brain. And now I'm gonna take the other half of the fresh lemon and I'm just going to squeeze it right on top. Again, adding that beautiful natural acidity is key. And I'm actually gonna take out another lemon because I want the zest. Is that from Booby? Is that for your birthday?
Yeah.
Okay, olive oil. Okay, Munchkin. You look beautiful. Salt. Very standard dressing for me. Olive oil. You have to get some good olive oil. Fresh lemon juice. Some salt. And I also feel like, look at how gorgeous that is. The addition of the lemon zest is just so beautiful. Oh my God, this is gonna be so good. This is gonna be like so crunchy and fresh. Oh my God. I think my mom is gonna love this salad. Okay, so I'm gonna check for seasoning. Make sure you really toss it because you want everything to be in there. Gorgeous. Yummy. The sugar snap peas are so sweet and crunchy. Oh my God, so good. So this is how it goes. Okay, I'm just gonna bring over my plate here. I'm gonna take my yogurt and I'm gonna put that right at the bottom. And I just like to do a nice little schmeary. Then just take the salad and you want to just pile it nice and high. Oh my God, this looks good. This is going to be a very popular dish in your house. This is my kind of salad. The more you put on, the more it kind of seeps onto the side. I'm just going to finish it with a little bit more almonds, so definitely keep some to the side, and a little bit more of the herbs. I like to use the baby leaves here. Oh, Abe, you have to smell this. There is basil. Is that your favorite herb? You want more? Here. You're welcome. Does that get any cuter? No, it doesn't. It doesn't get any cuter than that. Like, break my heart with your cuteness. Angel. Final dusting of lemon zest, and this is it, guys. Tell me that's not just spring on a plate. Isn't it beautiful?